Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shipma News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose anyway is improving my knowledge and English, only nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our today article. Indian global share slides amid trade warfare. The global stock market outperformed on Monday and fear of recession rose after China retaliated against USA tariffs and fell by about 3%, while Japan's Nikkei was down by about 8% and Hong Kong Hang Seng plunged by 30%. The graph shows the decline of various indices on Monday. Markets open over 5% down from close on Friday amid concern over looming recession. Recovers gradually to close at 3% loss. US President threatens China with additional tariff of 50% over its plan for retaliation. Welcome country wishing to negotiate. The mood on the Wall Street was also reflected in Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, and China. Lata Tendu Mishra, Mumbai, wrote this article. Not since the historical lows of the COVID-19 crisis have global market witnessed such drastic falls. Indian stock market plugged on Monday, anticipating uncertainty that cloud emerged from the trade war between the USA and China, two of the world's largest economies, and the fear of looming recession. Influenced by global cues, the market, which opened over 5% down from the previous close on Friday, gradually recovered during the day, with frontline index closing with a loss of 3%, lead by fast across the board. Small and mid-cap stock witnessed more losses compared with blue chip stock. The S&P BSE Sensex closed with a loss of 2,227 point or 2.95% at 73,138 points, lead by Tata Steel, which fell 7.73%, and L&T 5.78%. Tata Motors fell 5.54% after news came in that its subsidiary Jaguar Land Rover JLR has halted export to the USA. Kotak Mahindra Bank was down 4.33% and M&M fell 4.11%, while Infosys was down 3.75%. The NSE Nifty 550 index Nifty, which recovered during the day, closed at 22,162, down 743 points or 3.24%. Hence negotiation. Meanwhile, USA President Donald Trump threatened additional tariff on import from China if Beijing did not withdraw its retaliation plan, adding Washington would begin negotiations with other countries if they wish to. If China does not withdraw its 34% increase above their already long-term tradition abuses by tomorrow, April 8, 2025, the United States will impose additional tariff on China of 50%, effective April 9th. Mr. Trump said in a Truth Social post. The somber mood on the Wall Street was also reflected among its peers in Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, and China. Japan's Nikkei 225 declined as much as 8.8%, plummeting to a near 1.5-year low at 30,792.94 during trade on Monday. This was before it managed to pare some losses to close 7.8% lower at 36.58. To put Monday's fall in perspective, this is not among the top 5 falls seen in the Indian stock market. Devresh Vakil, head prime researcher HDFC Securities, said the benchmark Nifty index experienced exceptional volatility on Monday, opening with the dramatic 5% gap down due to negative global cues, marking the steepest opening decline since March 23, 2020. CEO's benchmark KOSPI index to found itself at a 70-month low during the day, closing 5.57% lower at 2,328.20. In fact, the two indicators briefly halted trading in stock, featured by inducing circuit breaker to stabilize persisting volatility. Hong Kong benchmark Hang Seng index registered its steepest single-day decline since the Asian financial crisis of 1997. It closed 13.22% lower at 19,828.30. Meanwhile, China, which has been the first major economy to impose retaliatory sanctions, also found its market mired in uncertainty. Shanghai Composite Index also closed 7.34% lower at 3,096.58. This mark is worst day in 5 years. Early hours in the USA. In the early hours across the Atlantic, however, it nearly appeared that grim mood would not be reflected. This was after media reports held the Trump administration was considering a 90-day tariff pause. The downturn resumed after the White House denied the story at 11:20 a.m. ET. The tech heavy NASDAQ Composite Index had lost 310.03 points to find itself 1.99% lower at 50,277.76, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average has slipped 2.70% to 37.279.25. The S&P 500 was down 0.31% at 5,058.37 after having shed 15.71 points. Valley of Flower blooming. Tourists talk to Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden, the largest tulip garden in Asia, set against the Jabarwan Hills in Srinagar on Monday. The garden opened for this season on March 26. AFP. Know your English from Archive. So this is our today English session. K. Subramaniam, S. Upendra, and dash and then there's Gopa. I can't stand him. I tell you he is dash. Dash, what's the matter with you today? You sound as if you got up on the wrong side of the bed. I don't know there was a wrong side to a bed. There most certainly is when you say that someone has got up on the wrong side of the bed. It's man he and she is in a bad mood for no obvious reason. For example, yesterday my boss was shouting at everyone. He must have got up on the wrong side of the bed. Does your boss very often get up on the wrong side of the bed? Yes, he does. You see, he is party animal, and a party animal is a party animal someone who likes party. Exactly, a party animal is someone who loves party, and my boss is party animal. Gopa is a party animal too. What does your boss do at party? I am told he drinks like a fish. Drinks like a fish, what does it mean? It means he drink a lot alcohol. Right again, according to this article, some of our leading film stars drink like a fish. It's not just film star who drink. Our maid tell me that her husband drink like a fish too. What's more, he smokes a lot too. Does your boss smoke? He used to smoke, but now he's kicked the habit. Kicked the habit? How can anyone kick the habit? A ball? Yes, but a habit. To kick the habit means to break a habit. For example, when I was young, I used to bite my fingernails, but now I have kicked the habit, meaning you have stopped biting your nails. Exactly. My friend Karthik was been smoking for 6 years and he is trying to kick the habit. Good for him. Published in Hindu on January 15, 1996. So guys, this is our today article. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay died on this day in 1894. Or a quiz on the face of Bengal Renaissance. Radhika Santhanam brought to make this quiz. Question number 1. This literary magazine was edited by Chattopadhyay and later was Rabindranath Tagore named it. Question number 2. Vande Mataram, the national song of India, was first published as part of the novel. Name the novel by Chattopadhyay. Question number 3. In 2018, Chattopadhyay became the focus of the West Bengal Assembly election. The Home Minister said that a specific event could have been avoided if the Congress had adopted the entirety of Vande Mataram and not just the first two stanza. Which event was he referring to? Question number 4. Tagore once referred to Chattopadhyay by Sanskrit term that also happened to be named of one of India's foremost fashion designer. What is the name and what does it mean? Question number 5. This Vaishnav religious movement of 40th and 15th century Bengal inspired Chaturved deeply. Name it. Visual question. Identify this place. Question and answer of the previous day quiz. The third poet in the Lake Poets Trinity, Robert Southey. Name Wordsworth semi-autobiographical magnum opus The Prelude. In which famous poem does the line "The child and father of the man" feature "My heart leaves up o'er the rainbow"? This denomination of the British bank note feature the poet's likeness. £5 notes. The solitary repair singing a plaintive song in his language, Gaelic. This poem came after a walking tour with Wordsworth's sister Dorothy Tintern Abbey, the name of which poet began the sonnet London 1802. John Milton. Visual question. Name the national flower of Wales. Daffodils. This is who gives which will day quiz answer. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.